Hello friends, today I am very happy to share a few scientific information about menstruation. As a doctor, as a mother of a young teenage daughter, I am very glad to share this information. Actually today my daughter asked me a question. Why should menstruating girls could not attend any religious function or a puja? Nowadays festive season is going on everywhere. So this is a very common question. As my daughter is growing up, she may be very curious and so many doubts about the changes occurs in her body. She may discuss on this topic with her teenage friends also. So I thought she must know the scientific knowledge about menstruation. This is very important topic for all teenage girls, mothers. So because they are always confused and worried how to tell and discuss this topic with their daughters. So I thought this is the right period to tell her about this menstruation. I am very happy that my daughter is very curious to know about this topic. So first of all, I congratulate to her and her friends and started to give scientific information on this topic. What is puberty? Puberty is a time of a rapid physical, psychological and cognitive changes when gender norms and identity are being shaped. In girls, they experience stress, shame, embarrassment, confusion and fear due to lack of knowledge and inability to manage their menstruation. In boys, they report feeling low self-esteem and feeling out of control of events in their lives which manifest itself through unhealthy behavior. Boys and girls both begins to grow hair under their arms and their pubic areas that may be on and around genitals. It starts out looking light and thin. Then as the kids grow through puberty, it becomes longer, thicker, heavier, curlier and darker. Eventually, boys also starts to grow hair on their faces. Most common questions asked about menstruation. What is menstruation? Menstruation is a normal vaginal bleeding that occurs as a part of woman's monthly cycle. Every month, your body prepares for pregnancy. If no pregnancy occurs, the uterus sheds its lining. Menstrual blood is partly a blood and partly tissues inside the uterus. How does menstruation happens? The egg, that is called ovum, travels through a thin tube called fallopian tube to the uterus. If the egg is fertilized with sperm, it attaches to the wall of uterus where over time it develops into a baby. If the egg is not fertilized, the uterus lining breaks down and bleeds, causing a period. How does a girl feel on her period? Some symptoms occurs during menstrual period such as headache, back pain, pain in lower abdomen, irritability, mood swings that may be feeling sad or emotional, breast tenderness, etc. Symptom may be varied in girls. Some girls don't have any complaints and it's very common. Why do women have a periods? Menstruation is a normal vaginal bleeding that is a natural part of a healthy monthly cycle for a woman with a uterus and ovaries. Every month in the year between age 11 to 14, that is a puberty age, and up to menopause, that means up to 45 to 51 years, your body is ready for pregnancy. The lining of your uterus thickness and an egg grows and is released from one of your ovaries. If pregnancy doesn't occur estrogen and progesterone levels falls eventually, hitting a level that tells your body to begin menstrual bleeding. During your period, the uterus sheds its lining and it's passed along with some blood out of the body through vaginal opening. Average blood loss during menstruation may be up to 60 to 80 ml, that is 4 to 8 tablespoons. The menstrual cycle may be of 28 days to 35 days, and menstrual bleeding may be last for 3 to 5 days. However, in some girls, it may be longer time between two periods, and bleeding may be heavy during cycle. For a woman to have a regular periods, the following organs needs to be functioning properly, that is hypothalamus, pituitary gland, ovaries and uterus. Premenstrual signs and symptoms. Acne is a very common symptoms in girls. Breast tenderness, tiredness and lack of sleep. Cramps, constipation and diarrhea may occur. Headache and mood swings are the common symptoms. Precautions should be taken during menstruation. Use clean, soft clothes or sanitary napkins or pads during periods. Change it regularly after 4 to 6 hours. Discard the pads properly. Don't flush it in a commode or washrooms. Hydrate yourself. Take a healthy and light foods during periods. Take a proper rest. Don't do heavy works or exercise. Take a proper sleep. You can do your daily routines during menstruation. There are no restrictions. If you have lower abdominal pain, headache, vomiting, take an antispasmodic medicine if necessary. If any abnormal symptom occurs, consult a gynecologist. Don't use soap to wash vaginal area. Keep dry and clean. Use antiseptic hand wash while changing the pads. It can prevent us from the vaginal infection and reproductive and urinary tract infection. Thank you very much.